Hi everyone! Today I just wanted to show you guys one of my favorite online resources that I use regularly in my classes. So this is called Remind. This is something that I use to have kind of open communication with my students where it's still safe, it's still appropriate, and everyone's privacy is still kept. So you don't have to text them using their cell phone numbers. You just need to have the Remind, and you can message them about school stuff like, hey, don't forget we have a homework assignment due tomorrow, or we are meeting at this place for the field trip, things like that. So it's really convenient. As you can see here on the left, I have several classes. To my knowledge, there isn't a limit on how many you can have. I actually don't think there's like a premium version of this. Pretty much it's all free. It's really convenient to use. And so you can see that I have one of my clubs on there, both of my ESOL sections on there, my red and white block scheduling for my field ecology class, and things like that. I even had a special group for a field trip that we went on so that everyone could stay connected and could contact me if they had any. So again, I really want to keep, I don't want to click on my field ecology classes or my senior project classes because I really want to keep those people, their privacy, a secret over there. So my life science class, I haven't used it yet this year. I've used my other ones, so I can go ahead and show you guys some things on here. So in order to send a message, you're just going to click this little button. You're going to click on who you want to send it to, and let's see if we send it to ESOL Life Science. Then you can type whatever you want in here. If you type like a link, what will happen is it'll actually have a little preview here where you can just click on it and we'll show you a little bit about it. You can upload a photo, you can upload a file, something from your Google Drive, a survey, etc. So it's really, really convenient. One of my favorite features is that you can schedule a time for it to send. So if you're at work and you're like, oh, I need to remember to send a reminder at 5 p.m. tonight, and you can actually schedule that reminder, and it'll just send on its own at that time. Say 6 o'clock. Super convenient. Okay? So we're not actually going to send that. In order to add people, you could theoretically add each student's name and each phone number or email. You can also communicate with parents via this. I do that all the time. I keep it open for my parents to join if they'd like to. You can print this little PDF that they prepared where you can, it basically gives them directions on how to join. What I usually do is I go ahead and write on my board, text at WLifeSci to 81010. And then it's there for the kids to use. It's the same thing all year long. And it's super easy. They actually don't have to download the app at all in order to use Remind. They can actually continue to message you just on that original message thread. So very convenient. I actually used it tonight to remind my students about a field trip we're going. So super grateful for this because it seems like sometimes after 3:10 p.m. the kids kind of forget about everything that happened during the school year. So thanks for listening. I hope you guys are able to use this in your own classrooms. Bye.